Hey everybody, welcome back to our family pantry. Thank you for all of your love and kind comments with respect to my mom's passing. Today we will be making one of my favorite dishes, the salt fish fritters. And why don't you just come on closer and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so ingredients that we need for the salt fish fritters, we need a half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, a half teaspoon of thyme, and a half teaspoon of parsley. Now, we also need our cup of salt fish. We need 2 chopped up scallions, a chopped up small onion, 1 small tomato, chopped up with the seeds removed, and then 2 cloves of chopped minced garlic, and then also the very tip of the scotch bonnet. It's just chopped up really, really fine. And remember the scotch bonnet, that's for the flavor. Now, we also need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We used 3 cups of water in total to get the proper consistency today because it's just been so dry here. We're gonna start off, let me bring the bowl closer so you can see it. We're gonna start off by adding dry ingredients in. I'm gonna add all these right here. Just mix it in. There you go. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna add my tomatoes, my garlic, my scotch bonnet, my scallions, and my onions. I'm gonna mix that in some. This smells so good right now. Now I'm gonna add my salt fish. Go ahead and mix that in. I have a video of how to prepare salt fish, and I'll leave the link below in the description box. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the water. Just add it in there. I'm gonna start mixing it up. And the consistency that I'm looking for is as if a pancake batter. It's been really dry lately, so I'm gonna need to add some more water, and this is gonna be another half cup of water. All right. Now, we already have salt fish in here, but we want to taste it to see if we need to add a little more seasoning. I think we need a little more salt. I'm gonna go ahead and put another half teaspoon of salt in here. And that should be good. Go ahead and mix it up. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you over to the stove and we'll get cooking. All right, so my pan is heated. I have it on a medium heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pour that in there just like that. All right, we're finishing up cooking. Have the last one in. The rest of them are just right here resting, draining. We'll be done shortly. Turn off the stove. Bring this over. Perfect. They all look good. Nice. It smells so good. Let me go ahead. I got a cooler one. I'm gonna try it. It tastes good. Real good. Well, here you have it. Your salt fish fritters. Let me know how you like them. Let me know if you enjoy them. Leave comments below. And thank you for coming to our family pantry. Take care.
Just wanted to share with you a little variation of how we like to eat our salt fish fritters. We like to dip them sometimes in this Thai sweet chili sauce, and it just gives it a nice little spice and a good flavor.